ElectroVLOG. Hi, I don't know why I've been killing my car battery so often. The car doesn't start anymore, so I have to go and give it a boost again. So by now, hopefully I've become an expert. I have some things to bring with me, which include my super caps, which I have charged to around 14 volts, an extra 12 volt battery, and my meter. Let's see if I can do it again. This time the battery has discharged so far that absolutely nothing works. No lights, nothing. I have to check and see how far the battery has depleted. Okay, let me see how much juice is left in the battery. What? 0.7? Probably my battery is dead. At this level, I can't connect my super cap to this. This voltage will short my super cap running, I don't know, like 500 amps through the wires. It's okay, I'm gonna connect my puny battery to the big one using my alligator clips and watch the voltage too, and hopefully it will slowly raise the voltage to something decent. Okay, here we go. Let's connect it up. But the voltage jumped to 12 volts right away. Well, it's slowly going down. What does it mean? Let me disconnect it again. Oh, the car battery charged to 4 volts, seems like. You know, it doesn't inspire much confidence when your car battery voltage jumps up so easily. I have a feeling the car battery is dead. Well, I'll leave it to be charged for a while and see what happens. Maybe it's so undercharged that it jumps up easily. And while that's charging, let's look here. It seems like my light was on. What? I've never had problem with leaving lights on. I thought the car turns it off after a while. Okay, the car battery now is around 9 volts. So not bad, it's coming up. Just that I don't know if it's good enough to start the car anymore. But you know what it means? It seems like I can connect my super caps to it easily without hopefully damaging anything. Let's see if I can jump start the car. Okay, let's carefully connect the jumper cable to my super cap. Careful, I don't want to short this thing. There we go. Connect the positive. It might shove a lot of current into my tiny battery too. Hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, let's watch the voltage. Ready? Okay. What happened? Seems like the super cap was discharged to some extent. It's charging back up with the puny battery. Okay. I had charged the super cap to 14 volts, but oh something. Crap. What the what happened? So my alligator clip wires just burned. But seems like they can still work a little bit, hopefully. My battery is at 12 volts. If I disconnect the battery, see it's slowly going down. I think my battery is no good anymore. I had charged my super cap to 14 volts, but I also have parallel resistors which slowly deplete the charge in it. In any case, the super cap has enough charge, seems like it's around 13 volts. I'll connect it quickly and jump in and jump start the car, and hopefully it will start, and then I disconnect everything. Ready, set, go! Damn it, nothing happened. What's the voltage? 5 volts? Damn it. It just sucked the entire juice out of my super caps and didn't start. The super cap is at 5 volts now, slowly charging with my puny battery through the broken alligator clips. Damn it. Well, it's charged now, but I want to see if my super cap can actually deliver much current. Not bad, eh? Maybe the connections are not too good. Okay, seems like everything is charged to the same level, around 12 volts. Let's jump start again. Ready? Damn it, not enough juice. But it's almost doing it. Okay, let it charge again. You know what, I'm gonna directly connect the super cap to the battery lid so that I reduce the line resistance as much as possible. Oops, I shorted something. Okay, super cap is directly connected and the battery voltage is now at 12 volt. Let's jump start again. Damn it! The camera fell. Something smells here though. I think my alligator clip wires are burning further every time I try to jump start. Oh, they still work. I have a feeling the 12 volt doesn't quite cut it. I have to go bring my drill battery, 12 volt drill battery, and put it in series with this puny battery and hopefully raise the voltage to 15, 16 volts, and probably that will jump start the car. Here are the batteries. An engineer that has everything except the proper battery booster. Okay, I'm gonna put the drill battery in series with the puny battery, and the only thing that really limits the current into this is the resistance of the alligator clip wires. So hopefully the current is not too big. Okay, let's carefully connect it. As soon as the voltage reaches something decent, okay, can't go out. The wires are getting hot. Okay, let's leave it. But as soon as I disconnect it, the voltage drops quickly. So it seems I don't have much time before everything burns. So I'm gonna connect it and go run in and jump start and come back and disconnect everything. Ready? Let the voltage go up first. Okay, go, 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 go. Ready? Set, go! Wow. Look at the wires. Well, they helped. Now the question is, can the car battery get charged and stay charged? I'll let the car run for like 15 minutes and see what happens. Well, the car is running for now. I have to leave it for another 10 minutes to see if the car battery gets charged. But if it's broken, then I at least know how to jump start again using my ghetto setup and get it somewhere to get a new battery. You may ask, why didn't I put a bunch of AA batteries in series like I did before? The problem is that if the car battery is actually dead, then those AA batteries won't be able to charge the car battery and the car wouldn't start. And I made much more smoke this way anyway. Well, it's been running for 15 minutes now, so if the car battery is not dead, it should restart again. But I highly doubt it. Let's try it again. Prayer. It started! It started! Damn it! It started! Good. I don't have to buy a new battery. Let's try one more time. So I guess the car battery was not dead. It was somehow super discharged to close to zero. I've never seen those batteries. I thought if it gets close to zero, the car battery dies and doesn't charge up anymore. But hey, it came back. Well, I'm guessing there might be some permanent damage, but it's still working. You know what? Third time is the charm. It's been off for like 2 minutes now. Let's turn it on again. I guess those alligator clips didn't burn in vain. I think I should really check something. What did discharge the battery that far down? Maybe something is leaking and drawing a lot of current when the car is off. Okay, I'm gonna measure the current from the battery by this clamp meter. I don't know if you can read backwards, but it's around 0.3, 0.4 our baseline. And if I measure the current, it's around 0.2, 0.1. So maybe something is drawing a little bit around 0.1, 0.2 amps, which is not much to like kill the battery. It will take a long time to kill a battery with 0.1 or 0.2 amps of current. For example, if this is a 100 amp hour battery with 0.1 amp, it will take 1,000 hours to discharge this battery. Now I unlock the car and the current is zero, which means that it's drawing around 0.3, 0.4 amps compared to the baseline. I'm gonna turn on one of the ceiling lights and see how much current it draws. With only one of them on, it's drawing minus 0.4 amps, which means from the baseline it's around 0.8 amps of current. So if I leave one of those lights on, it could discharge the car battery much faster. So I think that's probably what happened. It seems like when the car is off, there is no significant current discharging the battery. But I probably left these lights on, and usually I go drive the next day, which means that the car battery is not depleted much. But this time around, we didn't drive the car for a couple of days, which probably just killed the battery. Yeah, don't forget to turn off all the light and everything in your car. But the question is, would it turn on again?